Fabulous 103 FM with Kru Fon at Thai Time. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
What is a person? Like
Con.
ใช่ค่ะ
Con.
And then put rag behind.
Con reg.
ใช่ค่ะ
What would that... So
Yeah, likeคนแรก like you are the first person in Pattaya I know. Something like that. คนแรก
Okay. Con reg, the
ใช่
first
ค่ะ
person.
The first person who call
So you could say Fen Thai reg would be first Thai girlfriend.
แฟนคนแรก แฟนคนไทยคนแรก
So you got to say con twice.
Yes.
Fen con Thai, con reg.
ใช่ค่ะ
My first Thai girlfriend.
Yeah.
Does anybody remember back that far?
Sure.
No. Well, I'm sure you never had a Thai girlfriend. We could find out more, but we'll do that off air. See you again tomorrow. And don't forget that Thai Time Every Day is sponsored by and produced by the iPasa Language Centre, which is run by Kru Fon and two other Thai ladies, all with degrees and all teaching English, Thai and German. So if you or your family want to catch up and improve, especially right now, online, visit our website alwayspattaya.com and look for the link.